Boys, almal van ons onthou hierdie McGaffer. Okay? Klik, klik, jou lewe verander. Okay? Maar soos dit gaan, het sekere mense oor die water, oor see gemoun oor die naam en gesê ons mag dit nie noem na die camera House of the Bird nie. Okay? So ons het besluit, dan maak ons dit beter. Camera Den, want almal weet, dragons en mense wat touchy speel, korte Den. So, Camera Den. Terwyl ons die naam improve het ons besluit, kom ons maak sommer nog improvements aan iets wat nog beter kan wees. Dit is nie moontlik nie, maar dit is toe nou so. En ek het besluit om een van my baie goeie pelle te bring. 'n kenner in die veld van die Camera Den. Self-esteem. Welkom my chum. Your surname?
Diaz.
Diaz. Like the guy on the boat. Stephen, please take me through the whole system. Ego, yes, sorry. Edgar, if you can just take me through the system, how it works. Ego. If you could just show me just the basics. Just what is the improvements basically, how the process is much quicker. When I did it on the video, people sometimes needed to slow it down because it was blurry because of the speed and efficiency. But just in layman's terms for the guy on the street and the client using it. Okay? Just take me through the process step by step and show the people out there that you don't need to be at my level or any other scientist. You can actually do it much easier. And the floor is yours, John, if you can.
So step one, mount your camera onto the camera den, the new improved camera den. So you mount your camera, put the screws in, do your cable management, get it through, and we obviously need to place the grommet into the camera den so that water doesn't come in.
Yes.
And once the grommet is in place, then we simply got
The unicorn and oyster.
the back plate,
Okay.
and which helps with the cable management. Once that is in,
Click.
it obviously helps with the IP rating so that water doesn't flow in there, finishes it off nice, which gives us more of a base. And that's our first step. Get it ready before you do your installation,
Okay.
is what I can advise.
And from there on, we move to the specific site.
100%.
Or area, as we call it in the biz. Okay. You can.
Okay. So then once you're on site and you've got now all your cameras mounted and everything, there's a template that they've obviously put into the packaging. So on the template, it shows you exactly where you need to drill the holes. So once you use the template, you'll know where to put the holes and whether you're going to bring your cable in from whether your cable's going to be surface mounted or come in from behind into the camera den. The three important holes are on the template.
So let me just interrupt. Sorry, Steve. So so I don't know if the people can pick it up, but there's physically, if you use these, this is physically on scale.
That's to scale.
Okay. That will be great for makeup, actually, for the future for some of the ladies. But sorry, I don't want to. Well, you can continue.
So once you've utilized the template to put the mounting bracket up onto the wall, all right, template afterwards, put your mounting bracket up, only takes 2 screws, not 4 like the old conventional boxes. So quick, easy, reducing installation time. And then once the mounting bracket's on, okay, then it's easy for you to go up on the ladder and just clip your camera on. And it literally takes 1 screw to mount the enclosure onto the mounting bracket. Quick and easy.
Now, Jediah, I just wanted to ask you, is there anything remotely out there that can compete with this product? I mean, anything that can also...
No, not at all. So if I can show you the old conventional boxes, first of all, you got to use 4 screws to mount your lid.
Crazy. Yeah.
And with the camera den, you only use 1 screw to secure your lid. So you're already cutting that time down. And with the camera den, your camera is not placed on the same base where your cabling would be. So that means now you have the ability to be able to use your CCTV tester, okay, to adjust your camera without having to power up your system, because all CCTV testers can provide power to the camera, so you don't need to power up there. The tester provides the power, and the actual picture of the camera appears on the tester.
So Abraham, just to recap in terms of productivity, how much time you go? If you take the normal time for a setup of, say, a house with 16 cameras, how much time you think you would physically save?
Yes, you can save hours, because the old conventional way of installing cameras is stage 1, bring your cable to the camera point. Stage 2, mount up your box, mount up the camera and secure the camera. Stage 3, power up your system. And only on stage 4 are you able to adjust the camera. So once you've powered up and you've got picture at the DVR side, only then can you go back to the camera and adjust the camera. Because with the old conventional box, your camera would sit on the plate of the old conventional box, which your connections were behind. So you can't get to the connections to plug in your tester without taking the lid off. Then your camera is moving, so it's pointless. But now with the camera den, stage 1, get your cable up to the camera point. Stage 2, mount and secure your camera, and at that same stage, you use your tester to adjust the camera accordingly, close your lid, and your stage 3 would be power up and your installation done. So you're cutting out an entire phase.
It's incredible. It's incredible. So, Chart, what you're saying is time is no longer a big of an issue.
Not at all. So the amount of time it would take you to put up 4 cameras the old conventional way, with the drilling, the amount of holes that you got to make, where this is supposed to be pop outs, but it's actually drill outs. I've timed it. I've done it myself. We can put up 8 cameras the time it takes you to do 4 cameras.
Well, not me, but the conventional.
The conventional technician, yes.
Yeah. So there's no other way. It doesn't make sense. If you don't go this route, maybe you didn't know of it yet, or maybe you are just being stubborn. Anyway.
Absolutely.
Jebediah, thank you so much for just educating the viewers out there that are not on our level, and just to show them how easy and time consuming, cost effective, and it's just a better idea.
No, absolutely.
Thanks, bud.
Pleasure.
Groete by die huis.